What up, though? Adriane from Detroit with beingthechangellc.com, bringing you chapter 3 from our Wealth Creation Tips series. Let's get right into it. Chapter 3, Building Wealth from Nothing, the Secrets of Understanding Money Revealed. The Revelation, Chapter 3. Hollywood always had a habit of depicting the wealthy as evil, backstabbing, entitled, or corrupt individuals. WealthX reported recently that 70% of millionaires having a net worth of 25 million or more are self-made millionaires. What is it that these people know that you don't? Well, the truth is your equation is all wrong. The money equation most follow is money equals a job or salary. Past a certain point, the prospect of getting a job becomes the sole purpose of graduating and getting your education. Alexander Wang, 25, self-made billionaire. Brianna, self-made billionaire. Now, what do they have in common? They didn't follow the money equation of most. The most money equation will never get you there. Time, once it's gone, there's no way of getting it back. Inflation is the silent wealth tax that robs us of all of our purchasing power. It's the reason why your $1 million will be worth less in the future. That inflation. But inflation, guess what? Doesn't discriminate. It doesn't matter whether you make $20 an hour or $2,000 an hour. It's why most people can only really be a millionaire at an old age by living frugally. And they really traded all that time for money, and it wasn't even a substantial amount. So again, you ask yourself, how is it that they're self-made millionaires at such a young age? What makes them so different, you ask? Well, the truth is they have a better money equation than you. They have a way of understanding money that clearly you quite haven't grasped that concept as of yet. They understand that money is just a tool, and how you use that tool really determines your success. Now, while you're busy saving your money, they're busy investing theirs, making it happen. And that, my friends, is the difference between the haves and the have-nots. So, again, the haves know how to make their money work for them. And that concludes Chapter 3, our Wealth Creation Tips series. Look out for Chapter 4, Rebellion. And please check out our wealth and travel education resources at cccelevate.com. Please subscribe to our blogs, rudyratings.com, as well as beingthechangellc.com as well. And please leave any comments, subscribe to our channel, as our goal here with the channel is to bring wealth and travel information to you to help you live this lifestyle and reach the goals that you want to accomplish. Thank you for the time and being the change in your community. Thank you.